ducks autumn, eating bread thrown on the water in a way that keeps the younger kids amused. In our land both green and pleasant, every bantam, duck, and pheasant, if they had them, we'd be walking arm in arm. For our life is good and steady till we're plucked and oven ready. It's a poultry tale of folk down on the turkey with the gobble, watch his legs begin to wobble, 'cause Thanksgiving is a cause for some alarm. We've got pullets, we've got chickens, we've got quails, and what the dickens? It's a poultry tale down on the farm. What a gorgeous vision this is. It's Ida, she's my missus. So forgive me if I'm laying on the smart. She goes in for hating, quacking to point out the skills I'm lacking. It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm. Come on down and don't be strangers in our duckyard of free rangers. It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm. She's our only source of worry, feathers when we get to worry. It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm. Ha! How they flatter themselves. I never show much interest in this group. I admit I'm quite a glutton, but this feathered form of mutton wouldn't even make a palatable soup. But when those little ducklings hatch, that's a flavor you won't match. They're delicious and I just can't get enough. As a felon who is feline, you will see me make a beeline for those tender little juicy balls of fluff. In our water regatta, there's a mooring for the chapter and a Mandarin Oriental charm. You'll find every goose and gander, of course I know the winner. It's a